Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So we have a makeup product review and so excited. So excited. You got a sneak peek here, but yeah. All I can say is stay tuned till the end. You'll hear my final thoughts at the end. I am going to be reviewing the Love Honey products, the original Super Hold eyebrow product and the eyebrow pencil. If you aren't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Before we begin as well, please make sure to go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I've been doing a lot over there. They're both Makeup by Liz Rose, so go check those out. They will be linked in the description box as well as the products that I use, so go check that out. If you want to see what my opinions are on the products and my own personal opinions, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm finally filming. I had a bit of trouble trying to buy the P. Louise new lip bases and oh my god, I bought the whole set. I dyed my eyebrows last night, which is good. I can finally see some eyebrows on my face. I think they look so much better. Like, it's always a shock when I don't dye them for so long and then I dye them. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, we are going to be reviewing the very popular brand at the moment for eyebrows, the Pink Honey products. I've got two products here. I'm going to go into full depth of the products and I'm going to explain everything, how to use it, what shades I bought and why I bought these specific ones. So firstly, I'm going to show you what they look like. One thing to note that's really good is that it's vegan and cruelty free. Warnings, it's got 12 months expiry date. And it says, for external use only, keep out of reach of children. Okay. And then it's just got like a photo of what it would look like. Okay, so I did end up buying the original Super Hold and I bought the smaller version because you can get two different sizes. This size is $8.99. So the Super Hold smaller size is $8.99. And the bigger size, the Queen Bee Original Super Hold, is $14.99. I wanted to get the smaller one just because I wanted to try it out and see if I actually get along with it. I do want to get some of the other ones. They have the Raspberry Flex, they have the Cola, and then they bring out some like seasonal ones as well. But we went for the original, why not? It does smell very sweet. And sort of reminds me of something. It does smell very sweet and I like it. No wonder why it says external use only. And it comes with its very own little pink spoolie I'll be testing out today. So I can't wait to try that. And then I bought the Wonder Whip pencil in the shade Briny Points. Now this was a very popular shade on the website and it looked like the type of shade that I would go for, so I went with it. It might be a little bit too dark or it might be too light, I don't know. So it's got a really thin pencil on the end, which I am loving at the moment. I'm really been loving the NYX Micro Brow Pencil or the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which I've run out of, so I haven't been using that lately. I need to get a new one. And I've also been loving the P. Louise one. That's actually really lovely as well. I've heard good things about the Be Perfect one as well, but I thought I'd try this one out. It's also got a spoolie on the end. So the only one thing I'm going to say at the moment is it doesn't have the shade on the actual pencil. It's only got it on the box. And I'm sorry, but who keeps the boxes? Sometimes I keep boxes, but most of the time with small stuff like this I won't. So I would like the name on the packaging, the actual packaging, because in like a couple of months time when I run out, I'm going to forget what shade I had. I'm so sorry if you can hear the weather. It is super rainy, it's really windy outside as well, so bear with me. ignore that. I do have a mic, but hopefully it's not picking it up. Anyway, I do like the pink packaging. It's like a baby pink sort of shade, but it's not anything special. It's not my favourite. Do you know what I mean? Packaging isn't like a major big thing for me. It's just, if it looks nice, then I suppose people are going to buy it more. But anyway, the pencil is £5.99, which I think is quite decent. So it doesn't have any information on the website about the product. Okay, fair enough. I'll tell you a little bit more of what they say about this, because I did read up what the difference was between this original one and the raspberry one. Pink Honey Original is our first baby we created with our signature honey colour and sweet bubblegum. That's it. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it'd be honey scented, but whatever. Bubblegum is nice as well. This product is designed to give all day / night hold for the perfect fluffy or laminated brow look. It is water activated and formulated to create and add texture and fullness to your brows. This product can be used in any colour hair, vegan and cruelty free. So on the back of this it actually comes with instructions apparently, and yeah, that's all it says. But I will go on to the FAQs because that's where I seen what the difference was between the raspberry hold and the original. So I'll read out what they say about the original. So Pink Honey Original is designed for a super effect to last up to 16+ hours and sticks the hairs down so they don't move. This is perfect for the laminated effect or strong fluffy brow. This is our signature product and is suitable for all hair types. And the only difference really is the raspberry one is for 9+ hours and this one's 16+ hours. So if you want that super strong hold, go for this original. If you want it just for everyday use, then go for the raspberry one. Okay, so that's a little bit of a rundown and a explanation of what it is. We will dive in. I will just add some of the instructions that it says. It says apply water to your spoolie, place the spoolie in the desired hole inside the honey pot and apply pressure, swirl for 10 seconds, press your honey dipper, I'm guessing the spoolie, against the skin and comb up the hairs, followed by using your finger in the same upwards motions to stick the brow hairs down. Okay, so it's basically like me using my soap brows. Trying to get my words out. I'm going to do a before and after photo as well, which I will put on the screen after. I am going to zoom you in. Okay, so as you can see, my eyebrows haven't been touched. They've just got the dye on them. I don't know why, but they look a little bit more red than in person. No idea. So even though it says to use water, I don't have any spray water. So I've seen people just using like setting spray or Fix Plus. So I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus. I suppose it's going to help hold them a little bit better. Anyway, so I'm just going to, the smell of this is just gorgeous. So I'm going to, how much? Oh, don't you just love the smell of MAC Fix Plus? You just get the spoolie and you put it inside, come on there, just put it inside the hole and you give it a little bit of a twirl. How long do I do this for? There's all water on the top now. I haven't used anything else to do laminated brows before apart from my soap. I don't think, have I? I don't know. Anyway, okay, so I've done that a bit. Oh, my brows are going to be smelling this so good. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I don't go out of the frame, and I apologise about all these. Don't know where they've come from. So I'm just going to do what I normally would do. Okay, I have to admit, when I do my soap brows with soap, it doesn't normally work this good so far. At this point, keeping them up. I can't tell you how much better my eyebrows look with dye in them. Definitely recommend that. Oh my god, Connor's just texted me, and apparently there's another 3 weeks for Wales. Anyway, if you don't know, I live in Wales in the UK. Stay home and place for the next few weeks. 4 people from 2 households can exercise together, but you cannot drive to exercise. Okay. I'm getting so distracted, I'm so sorry. This is literally my complete honest opinion. Obviously, this is why I'm doing these reviews for you. I'm not just going to sit here and be like, oh my god, this product's amazing, and you can clearly see if it's not. But you can clearly see I haven't even put my finger on it yet, and my eyebrows are staying put. So this is the before, and that's the after. Oh my god. And they've hardened already, which is good. I gotta admit, guys, I nearly didn't buy this because I was like, my soap is gonna do the exact same thing and it's so much cheaper. But honestly, hand on heart, so glad I bought this. Oh my god, I am so shocked. Okay, I'm gonna stick to one eyebrow at the moment. I'm going to carry on with this eyebrow and leave this one bare at the moment so you can see what it looks like with the pencil on and without as well, just so you can see the difference. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Obviously as well, please ignore my nails. I had to take my nails off the other day because they were all just falling off because they were just stick-ons and they all look like an utter mess. They're like mishmash and anyway. So I'm going to use the pencil. I haven't even looked at the shade yet. I'm going to warm it up on the back of my hand anyway, because that's what I tend to do. Don't know whether it's going to be a bit too warm for my liking. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I normally start at the end of my brow, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to really try hard to stay in focus. And what I do is I literally just fill in the gaps. So I need to put a bit more on the bottom here. Anyone else straighten their hair and literally flyaways just appear out of nowhere. I think that is a decent shade as well. Because I have dyed my eyebrows, I feel like I literally don't need that much product, but obviously you can see the difference now. So still leaving the other eyebrow bare, I'm going to go in with some P. Louise base, which I would normally do. I'm going to outline underneath just to show you the full potential. Okay, so that is the finished eyebrow. I'm hoping it's looking as good on camera as it does in real life. But yeah, I am obsessed at the moment. I have noticed a little few hairs poking back up in the inner portion of my eye, but I don't mind that because it makes it look a little bit more bushy. So I'm going to go off camera and do the exact same thing on this eyebrow. And I'll be right back. I think that shade is really good for my hair colour too. Okay, how is it looking? I think this one's looking a bit more full. I can fix that. I'm going to stay this close up because why not? So my thoughts right now are they've dried down. They are solid. I'm really liking it so far. And the scent is beautiful. Love it. It's literally changed my look completely, like it's crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna wear this for a few hours. I can't say I'm gonna wear it for 16 plus hours because, you know, it is currently 4:30 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll come back after that because obviously I'm going to be doing foundation around it and we'll see how it's lasted through that. So far I would definitely recommend the, what would you call this? Soap? You wouldn't call it soap. the Super Hold. I call it the Super Hold. I definitely recommend the Super Hold because it's just transformed my eyebrows, as you can see. The pencil, I again definitely recommend. You don't need a heavy hand with this. It's smooth, it's easy to blend. The brush strokes, like I hardly put any in my eyebrows and they're looking pretty full. There we go, that's a bit better. I look crazy because I've only got eyebrows on, but yeah, I'm gonna come back after I've done my makeup and I'll let you know my thoughts then. Okay, so it is, what is the time? Where's my phone? So it is now currently 8:15 in the evening. I took about, what time did I do this? 4:30 I think it was? 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. So it took me about 3.5 hours to do this makeup look, yes. I've had some food and whatnot and whatever, gone about my evening. I'm absolutely living for this hairstyle at the moment. What do you think? Obviously I've done it a little bit messy. Anyway, I think my eyebrows are looking so good still. Anyone else? Like, so that's it fully with makeup on. So one thing I have to say is when I normally put the soap on my brows, when I put foundation on top, because obviously I do it before foundation, I can see sort of like the soap on my skin, if that makes sense, like by here or up here, but it actually hasn't done that with this and I am absolutely obsessed. I think this is going to be my now go-to. It's stuck down perfectly around this part, and then at the front here, it tends to happen to me all the time anyway, but the hairs have come loose. Is that the right word? Lifted off the skin basically. But I sort of prefer that. It happens with my soap and anything that I use. It makes them look a little bit more, you know, real, even though they are real, but less stuck to my face. And I quite like that. But that's the only thing I can say. So how long have I been wearing it? About 4 hours. So you could go even longer than this, but to be honest I don't wear my makeup that long anyway, only if I was going on a night out or something, but that isn't going to be happening. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like I said, this is going to be my new go-to. I'm going to try and use this for all my looks now and try and get to grips with it, see if I actually do like it as much as I'm saying first impressions. And like I say in all my videos, I will come back in a different video and mention it and say if I'm liking it or not. Let me zoom out. I feel too close. There we go. Yeah, I will let you know in other videos, but I've recently been doing monthly favourites, like beauty monthly favourites, so I will obviously include that into my February favourites if I am enjoying it. So stay tuned for that video. So my overall opinions on the Super Hold is absolutely amazing. It smells delightful. I'm glad I got the smaller pot because I can definitely like use it and try it out then, and maybe get a different one next time and try them. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely recommend that. Obviously a spoolie is a spoolie. The pencil, again I'll have to try this out a lot more, but my first impressions, it's nice and smooth, it's pigmented, it's not too pigmented that you're gonna be like, whoa, okay. It's nice and buildable, which I like. So that is my overall review. I definitely recommend it. Get a tick from Liz. And yeah, everything will be listed down below in the description box, so go check it out if you want to purchase it. If you want to see more of these review videos from me, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and if you like specific product reviews, and let me know what you want to see as well. Any other beauty products, like new beauty products or anything on the market at the moment that you have been dying to try but you're just not too sure, then I am happy to try it for you and let you know if it's worth a buy. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.